Hi guys, I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to crimp your hair and get the look that I've got here. I'll just show you the back. So I hope you enjoy. All I've done now is I've quickly went over my hair with the hair straighteners. Before I did that, I sprayed some of Avon's Protect It heat protection spray, and it's from the Advanced Techniques range. So I just spritz that through my hair and straighten my hair as normal. Now I'm going to get started. The crimpers that I'm going to be using are from Babyliss, and they are called Trio Crimp. I think you can get these in Argos and places like that. And you want the most zigzaggy ones, if you know what I mean. Because I think you get 3 different types with them, but I always use this. So first, you just need to brush your hair through. Oh, another thing, it's always best to do this on hair that's slightly dirty. You don't want it to do it on freshly cleaned hair because it won't hold as well. I'm just gonna split my hair. And you just need a couple of hair bubbles or some hair clips. And just clip the top up like so. Just brush this through again. I mean, my hair isn't very thick either, so I don't really need to pin a lot back. Now, I'm just going to get the first section of my hair that I want to crimp. Oh, another thing, I'm not going to be crimping my whole head. I just want to get a funky look. So, get the first section. Start right towards your head and hold the crimpers down. I also, I left the crimpers on for about 5 minutes before I started this, just to give them proper time to heat up. Now you need to hold them on for maybe 10 seconds. And then slide the crimpers down and hold them on for another 10 seconds. And keep going until you've done this whole section of hair. Okay, so that's the first section done. And the good thing is you don't have to be neat with this either. If you know, you put them on wonky, it doesn't really matter because it's going to look good anyways. And once you've done the first section, get some hairspray. You just give it a little spritz, just so it holds. And now, what you're going to do is pull the rest of your hair forwards. Miss a whole chunk out, so you're not going to crimp the chunk in the middle. And then start the process again. Okay, so I've done the bottom layer. Can you see? I'll just turn around, see if you can see. There you go, there should be some straight bits and some crimped bits, and I've been spraying that. So yeah, that's the first layer done. Now I'm gonna undo my clip, let the rest fall down, take a little bit more back up, just so I've got another layer of uncrimped hair. And I'm going to do exactly the same again. I'm just going to hold the crimpers down for about 10 seconds. Slide them down. So easy to do. And such a great look. Especially if you're going out with your friends. I love it, and it's quite original. Not many people crimp hair, and I don't know why, because it looks really funky. and I'll just look for another random uncrimped bit. So yeah, you should have some straight bits, some crimped bits. Gives it that really edgy, messy, rocky look. There we go, can you see? Let's give it another spray. Okay, well I'll carry on doing this layer and then I'll show you what to do next. Right, so I've done 2 layers now. Can you see how much volume the crimping is giving my hair? Just show you there. Yeah, it's starting to look really cool. I'm just going to bring some more hair down. And see, these are my really short layers. What I'm going to do is just take my fringe and pin that back. And I'm just going to do exactly the same method on my last layer of hair. And it shouldn't take too long now. I mean, the whole process takes maybe 15 minutes. Maybe a little bit longer if you're going to be extra careful and extra precise, but I think it's more fun just to go for it, really. Just give it another spray. It's looking funky. Now I'm going to let my fringe down and whatever hair I've left up there. Also, the longer you press down, the more defined the crimp is. Or again, if you only hold it down for a short length of time, you'll just get a nice little wave to it without it being too defined. I think I'm going to put some in my fringe as well. Okay guys, so that's us done with the crimping. Just give it one final spritz with the hairspray and you can put a little clip or a headband in like the rose I've got here. And that's it done. I hope you like it. It's a funky hairstyle for you to go out with your friends. Or you can wear it casual, you know, with some pair of jeans. I think it was really cute. I like it. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it.